Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another project share I wanted to share with you guys that I made, this time using this flower market collection by Cardabella. I mean, it says Cardabella, but this is not the textured paper that we're normally used to. So that's very interesting. But I think Echo Park also had a version of this. I don't know. I don't have the cover anymore because on the back of the cover was all these cut aparts, as you guys could see. That's what it is, Flower Market Collection. But this was like the back, this was like that cover sheet. So I have a couple cut aparts left over and just like very little scraps. So, oh, it does say Echo Park. It says Echo Park here, but the sticker sheet says Cardabella. Anyway. I guess both of them made it, but this is not like that textured paper that Cardabella normally has. It's like the regular Echo Park paper, which I still love anyway because I love Echo Park. But I will have this collection link down below if you guys want to get it. I don't know what I'm going to do with these scraps, probably nothing, but I am going to keep these scraps because, or at least the cut aparts, because they could be added to some other project. So I was actually working with scraps already when I made this project. I don't know what else I did with this. I mean, there's tons of stuff that you could find on my channel that I probably did with it, but like I said, I was working with scraps to make this album here, and so I did also pull some solids from my stash, like solid cardstock from my stash, to be able to complete this album, and it turned out really cute though. And what was I saying? Yeah, I've been trying to go through like collections that I have started, that I opened, that I just have not finished yet. My bin is overflowing of collections that I have started or paper pads that I have started that I want to finish. So slowly but surely I will get through them, as long as like I don't have to keep opening up another collection, but that's the plan. But the plan in general is just to use up my stash. Whatever's in my stash, I don't care. I just got to use it. So here is the album that I made. It says there is beauty all around. I added in some flowers here. And then these little leafy bits, this is a die set from Scrap Diva Designs. I gotta say, I love this die set. It is the Leaves bundle die set. I'll link it down below. And if you guys do want to get anything from her shop, my code is Carolina for 10% off your order. But I love this. It's just one plate. You just put that in once on top of your paper and you get all of these leafy bits cut out for you. So I like to cut them out with some scraps of gold paper that I have and some scraps of green, and just cut them out so I always have them on hand, like when I need them, when I like to add flowers to my projects. And I have been loving that. Like, it adds so much detail and beautiness to this, and it's just so wonderful. So again, if you want to get that, I'll have that link down below with the code. But yes, definitely a die set you guys need to have in your stash. So I added some flowers, I added that. You guys see I did all my stitching all the way around, my zigzag stitch and my regular stitch around the cut apart. And I did like a floral thing and then like a little added spine here that I like the look of that sometimes. I don't do that on all my albums, but I do like that. And I made sure it was continuous here and then to the back. So it kind of is like a fall wraparound spine without actually wrapping it around. And then here's my handmade logo stamp. I'll have that link down below. And I recently, so I used to die cut that out, but I recently got a punch. It's a 1.5 inch size punch where I could just stamp it and punch it out. So that saves me so much time because I don't have to die cut it out anymore. So I'll have this link down below as well, the punch. But so helpful with the stamp, and the stamp itself is like a self-inking stamp. And I've had this for 3 years. I haven't needed to re-ink it. The ink pad is like in there somewhere, and it's just kind of, it's self-inking. It just keeps re-inking itself. And I haven't needed to add in any more ink or anything over 3 years so far. So it's still going strong. And I have, you know, done this a lot, you guys. And I have a whole stash of these because I use all my white cardstock scraps to just kind of make more when I run out. So I always have those on hand as well to add to the backs of my project. So this album, there is a tutorial on this on my channel. I think it was one of my scrappy Christmas crafts videos. It might have been for June, I think, for June of 2024. But this is a cardstock folio album that measures 6 inches, like a 5 by 6 approximately. I think it might be 5 1/8 by 6 1/8, but it's a trifold, or no, it is not a trifold. But you open this up. I mean, it could have been a trifold, but I made it kind of like this. So you open this up and it looks like this. You have a pocket on this side here, and I just got this cut apart in there that just says beautiful. It's a little booklet. Then this flips this way, and then this flips up that way. So you could add additional photos. And these papers are just some solids from my stash. I think this was like a Martha Stewart paper pad I had in my stash. It's like hot pink on the other side, which you guys will see that in here on this side in a bit. So it's like a coral on one side, darker hot pink on the other side. Here I made a belly band, and it just says bloom and grow. And if you wanted to, you could add another flap like this down here. So totally optional. And I think in my original project, I had this flip that way, but I think in the tutorial, I did the flip up because the flip this way would hit this. And this has like a spine in itself, like a 3/4 inch spine. So it didn't want to kind of open that way. So here on this side, it just says gather the ones you love. I think I left that open, which it looks like I did. But I didn't add a tag in there because it was already bulking up. I wanted to, but it was bulking up here. But I mean, you could if you wanted to. So anyway, this flips open, and here I have a pocket with that tag, and then just another, like a little flip up booklet here, and a sticker from the collection that says naturally beautiful. And then this just opens. So you have a ton of space for photos. Here's that coral again. We'll get to the hot pink at some point. Oh, there's the darker kind of hot pink that I'm calling. So you could see the difference between the coral and like the hot pink. So that was one paper. It was just different colors on each side from like some Martha Stewart paper pad I had in my stash. And then you could also flip this down and add more photos. And if you really wanted to, this is technically a Z fold. So this flips open all like that, and you could add all those photos, or this other way as well. So you have a ton of space for photos. I like to just open it one by one, and that way it fits better on your table also, but it's also kind of just fun flipping it like this. Yeah, see, just lots of fun. So that lives on that side, and I made the spine kind of big enough so that it has room to kind of bulk up, I hope. But you guys could see that it kind of, this would be up here, out here otherwise, so you have that space to kind of add photos. If it's enough space, I don't know. I hope so. I tried to design it that way. But yeah, so that is this album. There is a tutorial on my channel, and this album is also available in my Etsy shop if you guys are interested in purchasing it. And all the collection information will be linked down below, as if I could find it, which I'm pretty sure that's a common collection. I don't think that's like discontinued or anything. I'm pretty sure I've seen it around. I gotta redo that bow. Anyway, so that is in my Etsy shop, or tutorial information linked down below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.